There are many best internet or web browsers, but there are two most popular browsers. It is simple, speed, update, security and privacy. Hi, my name is Nyiza. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will share how to install and use Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome step by step. Let's begin. Go to Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. Type Google Chrome. Click on Save. Click on three dots. Click here. Click on Open File. It is installing now. You can click on Sign In or Don't Sign In, depend on you. There we go. Now you can use Google Chrome. Go to Google. Type Mozilla Firefox. Click on Save. Click on Save. Go to File Location. Right-click on Firefox. Click on Run as an Administrator. Click on Skip. Again, click on Skip. Click on Start Browsing. Okay guys, now you know how to install and use Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like, share, comments below. Thanks for watching.